Hey guys, Von Dutch sent me this trucker hat for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how timeless and high quality this cap is. Now, the first thing you notice about this is the quality. You can see it here in the embroidery of their logo, here on the brim, and here in this breathable mesh material. This mesh will ventilate your head so you can wear this to the gym, to work, or just as a fashion statement with some jeans and a t-shirt. Back here you can see the quality as well. It's got a little tag over here once again with the logo, and with the snapback you can fit it to the perfect size for your head. But of course the best part about this hat is the fashion statement you're gonna make. You can see it's a classic trucker design. It comes out of the package with this perfectly curved brim to give you that laid back and classic look. Even inside here, you can see the details they put into this hat here. It's got classic artwork here and the label here. So it's comfortable, high quality, feels great on your head, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a classic trucker hat by an iconic brand like Von Dutch.